I would say starting with pulling the weeds. If you're coming home through your front door every single day, you tend to kind of forget about that. So I would say starting with pulling the weeds, any plants or shrubs that are not doing well, they should be replaced or pruned back. Topping up any of your mulch, fertilizing your grass.
People are looking for low maintenance. I've never met a person that says, I want a yard with a ton of maintenance.
Yeah.
So when you're selling a house, if a potential buyer walks up and they see, wow, like I'm gonna have a big job here just getting this back to square one, I think it's just about providing a really neat and tidy curb appeal of the landscaping especially, and it goes to the exterior of the house too. Like if they see cedar shakes that need to be restained or replaced, they're like, oh, there's another job I'm gonna have to do. And I think that deters a lot of people. So like Janelle said, topping up mulch, replacing shrubs that need to be replaced or pruned, taking out any trees that may have been overgrown. I think that's important. Ensuring that proper drainage. So take a walk around your foundation and get out a level or a string line. And if you can, ensure that you have proper drainage, that's gonna defer a lot of the questions about, is this draining properly if you have that proper drainage. And then also just making sure your home looks like it's easy to maintain. So the grass looks easy to cut. It looks like it's cut. The beds look easy to maintain. I think that's where a lot of people's eye go on the exterior anyway.